the
No,
nipple in there.
just keep getting it.
Oh, get the nipple on there.
I got the nipple. This is videoing. We got the
We're
nipple.
videoing right now. You know what I'm saying? I got that West Coast. You know what I'm saying? Blood. You know what I'm saying? Boom. You got that West Coast. You got that shocker. You know what I'm saying? West Coast. You got the blood. You got that 803 grape killers. You know what I'm saying? Boom. You know what I'm saying? You got all that. You know what I'm saying? All at once. You know what I'm saying?
Really?
We be at Dryland's house right now celebrating Tasha. She leaving.
She leaving us, so why are we celebrating?
She going to Oak Harbor. You know what I mean?
That's a bitch move, right? Hey, those are my glasses.
Hey, hell no. These are Blair's glasses.
I let Blair borrow those. Those are my glasses.
Bitch. She's right there. She's right there. The culprit. She's in the kitchen right now. These are Katie's glasses. You never told me that.
That was a
That's a messed up thing to do to her brother.